Today, we're testing the lightest electric bike I have seen so far. This thing only weighs 19 kilograms or 41 pounds, has cool features, it is super sleek, and this is how I envision S City Comfort Series model. It is extremely light, beautiful lines, clean design overall, very nice paint job. The bike looks amazing. It is so sleek that at the first look you'll not say this is an electric bike. The lines are elegant, smooth, it is light, but still powerful and allows you to reach more than enough speed for city commuting. All components high quality, well balanced, cables all around hidden inside the frame. This is the most silent e-bike I have tried so far. You do not hear the motor at all. We have a 250 watt rear hub motor and look how small it is. I like the CNC parts, looks well done and high quality. Not much styrofoam, but seems to be well packed. I like this packing triangle wrapped in front here. And every single part really nicely wrapped, actually very smartly done, and the bike is very light. I just realized it's actually triple layer box, very thick, so good protection. Just look at this beautiful packaging. Have the booklet. Nice quality paper, good graphics. Everything's so well organized. We have a small pump, nice. Instructions how to use it. We have some fittings for the pump and reflectors, Allen wrench keys, and here we have pedals. Wow, this is completely different pedals. Wow, these pedals have a very different design. I've never seen this before. Plastic and the charger. And we have 3 amps, 42 volts. Not bad. So the console here, you can see like it's so clean. I didn't move the plastic still to keep it fresh and clean. But the grips, secure hardware. Leather, comfortable. We have very good textural hydraulic brakes. Look how clean it is, all the wires hidden. So you turn it on. I like the logo, and you have a password code here. So then press OK, and look at this cool menu. You have 5 levels of assist. So boost 5, power, tour, normal, and eco, and regular drive, and it is dead silent. There's no noise at all, and on boost it's quite powerful. I cover about 6 miles and 75% left in this freezing weather, and as soon as you put your feet on the pedal, the torque sensor it just engaging and start calculating how much power to output. So very smooth, dead silent, amazing setup, guys. The battery is 36 volts, 10 amp hour capacity and frame integrated. 18 650 cells, compact and can be charged on the bike and outside of the frame. We have a belt-driven system, the sprocket beautifully designed, everything, all the parts except the brakes are custom made on this model. Clean and quiet, will last thousands of miles with zero maintenance. Power delivery in the 5th level, it's almost effortless to pedal. Even in 1st level assist, it's easy and fun. We have a torque sensor that simplifies the process, you get exact amount of assist and it's very smooth. Top speed advertised 25 km an hour or 50 miles an hour, but I can get 20 miles an hour normal pedaling.
23 to 25 miles an hour if you push more aggressively. You can ride on 0 level assist as a regular bike and you feel no resistance, but if you turn the bike off completely, then the motor slows you down a bit. The seat. Modern design and so comfortable. The seat looks so beautiful, and the stem is long enough. For taller riders, I'm 6'3", and I get it close to the max, and there's still maybe half an inch, 1 inch left. And I'm sure you can do a little bit higher, a little bit taller for taller riders, but for me it's perfect at this level. And I like the design, it's very comfortable, and they included air pump in the package. It's high quality product, it's very compact, very light, and you have here two different types of ends to inflated tubes, which is very handy. I was not expecting this. This is a very nice air pump. Very nice addition. And the cables management. This is the part that I really like. I've been mentioning this in so many videos on this channel, and let me walk you from the handlebars all the way down to the motor. The cables are so nicely hid inside the frame. The best management I've seen so far. I think on the front can be done a bit better, but overall this is perfect. The frame, it's very comfortable to ride, and the step-through design makes it easier for shorter riders. Lights, powerful yet super compact. Strong enough, and we have a very bright rear light, but unfortunately no rear brake light. But let me show you guys here. When you press here, we have turning signals. But I don't understand one thing, why have turning signals and no active rear brake light? This does not make much sense. What's cool is that this rear turning signals actually turn off by itself. Screen integration into the handlebars, it's beautiful. Very well designed screen, and I like the application. Cool security lock. I really like the screen application. Very polished and helpful tool to connect with the e-bike. You can install the app on your phone and get all the stats, also navigate through the GPS, a very useful option in the crowded city that will manage your ride. This bike has a really nice cohesive design. It is super light, only 19 kilograms or 40 pounds. It is super slim and all the lines are following seamlessly all across, and so elegant. Very thin rear rack, but can withstand decent 20 kilograms of weight. Range. In temperatures under 30 degrees on Fahrenheit and a 5th level assist averaging between 15 to 25 miles an hour, I was able to cover 21.6 miles in range. This e-bike is great for average rider, but it's even better option for women and shorter riders due to the step-through design, which make it easier to get on the bike and off the bike. I think the smoothness and the power delivery will be great for casual riders from 35 to 60 years old. Riders who prioritize safety and comfort. This is perfect for me, no need to shift gears, just pedal and enjoy a butter smooth, comfortable long-range ride. No maintenance required with this belt system, no setup needed, just grab your bike and ride. From top to bottom, I don't see on this model an inch where they cut corners, except the brake lights. Everything else, it's all perfectly executed. The thin tires have an amazing grip and comfort, and you can ride long ranges in the first level assist, and it's very comfortable to pedal. The bike has all you need, and it's a perfect city commuter and weekends long rides. Attention to details, it's above any bike I have tested so far. I place the links down below of all the products I use and recommend. If you like this bike as much as I do, check the link down below. Don't forget to hit the like button so YouTube spreads this video to other people. Thank you for checking this cool e-bike, and I'll see you tomorrow.